Hello everyone. This video is particularly for those that are using the iPhone iOS. Now, most of these apps that are on Play Store doesn't support iOS, and most of the app on, of course, on App Store doesn't work on Android. But this particular app supports your iOS, any version of it. Now, in a situation whereby you don't have a laptop or your laptop is not good enough, you can use your phone. There is no excuses for that. Now, the name of the app is called Coda app. As you can see, this is the app. All you have to do is go to your app store. You go to your app store. Like I've already searched for it already. I went through it a little bit. Then it's called Coda. So you just click on it, Coda, and it comes out. Now, for those of you that are just searching it for the first time, you probably have to download it, put in your iCloud password or whatever works for your phone. But for me, all I have to do is just open it, and then when I open it, it comes here directly. Like I said, I've gone through the app a little bit and see how it works. So I'll just cancel this. So this is how it's going to come out from your phone. There is no file/folder at all. So what you will be doing next is click on this plus icon beneath it. You click on the plus icon. You can't just create a file directly. You need to create a folder. Now, my folder, you can give whatever name you want, but I can just say HTML class and then create it. The next thing I'll be needing is a file. This is just a folder. Then I'll be needing a file. I'll just click on here and create a new file, and I'll be like index.html. Whatever you write is okay, but the .html is very important because it shows that it's an HTML file. So it's going to be index.html. Then I create it. As you can see, it shows HTML on this file, and I just click directly on it. And over here is where you can code whatever you want to code. There is a little disadvantage with this app because you can't use this method over here that I use for. You can't use this method and click on enter. It doesn't work for this app. So you'll be needing to code it raw. There's supposed to be an head, but since it doesn't work in this app, you just have to code it this way. The HTML, the opening and closing tags. On the next video that starts the class properly, will explain every details. Now let's say you want to run your code and see what this is saying. You just click on this but this icon that look like hi. You click on it and it will run whatever I've written on the internet. I'm learning a new skill, which I use the h1 tag. But don't worry, when we start properly, you're definitely going to understand the tags I'm talking about. That's all you'll be needing. I think when you want to start the CSS, you can just open another file and give it whatever name you want to give it. Then you can go through it, of course, see whatever new you can get. Settings, I think this is just settings for the app itself. If you want it to be small, medium or big, you can go through it. Code completion, you can off it if you want. However you want it is okay. Then this is about the coda, bright coda, dark mode. If you want your screen to be dark mode, you can on it this way, you can off it this way. Well, I feel it's like I love this dark mode. So it's done. And then you can just keep on coding whatever you want to code properly. See, that's it. That's the end of this. I hope this is very useful for you. If you have other apps that you feel is better than this, of course, you can use them. But if you feel this is okay for you, you can also use this. This will definitely do whatever you want to do on it. That's not a problem at all. It will definitely work for you. Whatever you want to write, whatever code, it will definitely work for you. I think that's all. So this is not the proper code. Definitely get it.